Zhongshan Miaosi Auto Accessories Company Limited, also known as T&T Industries Company Limited, situated in Zhongshan City of Guangdong Province, China. It takes around half an hour to Guangzhou by train, being focused on the production of a wide range of tire repair items such as puncture-proof tire sealant, tire tube patch, tire seal, tire kit, and so on. The brand of Careway is well known by worldwide customers. Since the beginning of our business, we have committed to providing our customers with high-quality, innovative products. As one of the most professional industry suppliers in China, we offer a complete line of tire maintenance products that allow us to present clients with category solution on tire repairing with the most up-to-date technology, well-trained workers, high-quality assurance, environmentally friendly products, as well as professional service teams. T&T aims to save money, stay safe, and have fun for every users. Our products have widely distributed in over 30 countries and regions in Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, North and South America, Africa, etc. We in all sincerity to invite you to join us, promote our products in your markets, to share the top quality products, and to grow together.